And then that should be the end of the adventure. But if it's not the end of the adventure, we'll record some more, and then that'll be the end of the adventure. Little bit of a muddy mud here.
Let's go in some more water.
Oh, we are.
Dad?
Okay, so we made it this far. We may as well see what's down the other road, right? Right, Caleb?
Yes.
We have to.
Yes.
Okay, we have
Right
to.
there.
Yeah.
Right.
I saw what appeared to be like a pond or something.
Right there.
Yeah, right here. Okay, yeah.
Want to go through there?
Yeah.
Straight in the middle? Straight in the middle?
I don't know, man. I don't know.
I think you can do it. I believe.
I believe I can fly.
You do, huh?
I believe we can fly. What is
Stay on the
that?
high ground. Uh-oh. Stay on the high ground.
Stay. Whatever you stay.
Watch out, drop.
I know, I see it. I think we got it. Okay, we rebooted the car. Restarted the car, so you know what that means, Caleb. What do we have to turn off again? Traction control.
Yep.
Ooh, yeah, we found some mud bogging zones here.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Come on.
So Caleb, how many trees do you see around us that we can winch off of?
Plenty over there.
Yeah, I can't reach that. There's
Yeah.
not enough rope and chain in here.
There's enough to do a turnaround over there. You got some dry ground. You got some wet ground.
All right, here's what we'll do. We'll come back here next time with your car, and you can drive through there, and you can show us a good time.
Yours is a high off the ground though.
Well, if you go fast enough, yours can go airborne.
Don't tip me.
So guys, it looks like we did find a good area to try to get stuck in the future. We're definitely not going to do that this video, but at least we know where some mud lives. Maybe if the water is down a little lower, I'd give it more of a try, but it looks like it goes and goes and goes, so. So Caleb, how much mud's gonna fly off our tires when we go fast?
I reckon.
A good bit.
Yeah, it's gonna be epic. Whoa!
Woohoo! At the same time.
Man, there were some epic moments on this adventure. We gotta go this way a little farther, right?
Right.
Right. All right, listen guys, listen.
What?
Hear all the mud?
Yes, making our tires bumpy.
Oh yeah.
I see something up ahead.
Alrighty. Alrighty then. What the heck is this?
Deja vu. It's deja vu from all those rapids back in the day.
So I think we need to buy a kinetic rope as well. That's one that's basically it's a glorified bungee cord, and you basically hook it to both vehicles, and you kind of give it a running start, and it can kind of, you know, jerk vehicles out of like mud holes and stuff.
Kind of tether it out, sort of.
I think one of those would be good too. Because some of those mud holes that we just saw, I would have to bring another buddy for sure with four-wheel drive, and we would need one of those kinetic ropes probably to try to yank each other out of the hole if we get stuck.
Ew.
Ew, don't touch it. Look at that armor though. He's a little sad. I didn't kill it. No, that thing's been dead for a long time. The turkey vultures probably already ate it, huh guys?
A bone.
Yeah, a little bit of a bone, huh?
Probably.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it. It could have leprosy.
That's a bone from the.
I'm gonna have to hand sanitize your hands, so don't touch anything on your clothes, okay?
I'm going back.
Oh, his face is really sad. Oh no.
What?
Oh, his face just looks kind of cute despite the rest of him not looking so cute, huh? Adventure never ends, guys. Let's try to get stuck right here.
Not when you're with Aaron.
Oh, Caleb, I forgot the traction control. Quick, traction control off.
Yeah, turn it off while you stop.
Oh my gosh, we're gonna get stuck.
Dad, you're recording all.
We're gonna get stuck. Caleb,
Yeah,
record the badness.
Dad,
Yeah?
you're recording all of that.
Oh, Nikes. We stopped in this clay. It's not good. Oh,
Slippery
yeah.
wet clay is
yeah.
never good.
We're going forward though. I'm going through it. Go fast. Go fast. Yes. Oh, we're losing momentum. Oh, no. All right, we're not going forward this time. If we keep moving backwards, we're good. All right, we'll go forwards again with more
Maybe if you give more speed.
I think we're practically in a ditch. Let me go
turn
backwards
a little more towards the right. Get out of it and turn more towards the right.
Dad, do 140 speed. That might get us out.
Dude, we're stuck in this ditch. You see this ditch?
Dad, this is the first
Alright, guys.
140.
We're in a ditch right now.
Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
Dad, do
We're riding this ditch right now, guys. We're slowly getting out. I think we're. Oh shoot.
Oh, no.
We may get out. We may get stuck. I don't know. The world may never know.
Oh, no. I think we're stuck in this thing good right now, buddy.
Hey, Dad, just go 140. Go 140. Speed.
Guys, stop talking real quick. Something's wrong.
What?
I don't know. Something feels a little off.
No, Dad, just go 140 speed. 140 speed is the best, Dad. I have to get out.
I think we have smoke coming out of the back of the car. Let's see. But we did make it out.
Luckily. Now,
Okay.
Just stay off the that side now.
Well, I need to go check the back real quick.
All right.
I don't know.
Just make sure you're in
It
drive.
could have been. I am. It could have been from. It could have been just from all the mud touching the exhaust. That's probably what it was.
And from the wetness.
No, I also running out of gas.
Yeah, I think we're fine.
Yeah, it's probably from the water too.
Do we dare to go in it a little bit again?
Yes.
No, Dad! Dad, go full force with 140. That would be
All right. Now we're ready to take some more pictures, right? Because we got a proper mud coating on the car.
Yeah.
So we'll go to this historic tomb. That's what I was about to video. There's a historic tomb up here that we saw. We don't know what that exactly means.
Dad, maybe something with your HUD was getting.
Yeah. We don't know what that means, a historic tomb, but we're gonna go there. If we can make it.
Man, look at all that mud.
Caleb, that was a little hairy there for a moment. So basically they had like, I don't know, moved the road around a little bit, and I'm pretty sure we were actually in a ditch. Oh, nice.
I know, right?
What in the world? Oh, I missed it somehow.
A hay one.
Oh, that's just washing your mud off. That's not good. That was water.
What? That? That was just water.
Caleb, can you see anymore?
Yeah, I can see.
Wow, look at all these. Oh, that was a mistake. Oh, let's keep going.
I can still see.
Oh, I don't have. Oh, guys, we have a problem. I don't have any windshield wiper fluid. All right, well.
Oh, swine.
All right.
Note to self, guys. Move the top
What?
off your windshield wiper fluid.
Wait, is that the same as blinker fluid?
No.
All right. What's the coolest?
Taste that.
What's the coolest angle here for the car? Probably right here, I guess. So we're definitely gonna need to take some pictures. All right,
That's
All right, guys, listen.
cemetery.
Guys, listen. It's a cemetery. Don't touch any of the gravestones. Be respectful, okay? All right, boys. So this site right here, actually, we were reading up on it. Colonel Isaac Hayne was a Patriot soldier, and he was executed by the British. It says contrary to all usages of war. It's a pretty interesting read if you guys want to Google Colonel Isaac Hayne. But yeah, we found this historic burial site. Looks like his whole family was buried here. But pretty neat little tidbit. Boys are all climbing on this giant oak tree in the background. Man, look at that chunk. Look at that chunk that landed on there, guys. Oh, it's a Fira right behind the car. We got some water. We're gonna, since I'm out of blinker fluid, windshield fluid, I'll pour some water on here.
You stupid eyes. That's a bad word.
Help a little bit.
Yeah, it's helping a little bit.
Not make your sense stupid.
It's gonna have to be good enough for right now. I'm gonna
I have to beat my leg.
straddle the ditch. Oh, we're in it. Oh
Your leg
no.
is too strong. That's what I'm saying.
No. Oh, get out of there.
Look at that big scratch.
Get out of there, Beaver. Oh my gosh, did I just name our car?
Yeah.
Our car's name is Beaver, and now we can say, get out of there, Beaver. Wait, I have to look up. Is there any kind of bad connotation to that
They're
saying?
very small.
I gotta look it up, make sure there's nothing wrong with that in 2021, but maybe our car's name is Beaver. Silver Beaver. Wow, that ditch that we got almost stuck in is legitly sticky though. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, 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 oh.
There we go,
down.
Greg.
Oh, shit, down, down. Oh, get out of there.
Keeping the water safe.
Oh,
And one-handed.
oh.
Dad,
Yeah,
I
always
keep the
one-handed.
water more. There's only one more. I need it.
Oh, all right, so our GPS says we got about an hour till we get home, and then I will,
Touch base.
well, no, I won't do anything. I'll eventually edit this video, but,
Punch truck, it's gone.
yeah, that'll be the end.
Punch truck, it's gone.
Hey, if you guys want to see us do even more crazy adventures, consider signing up for our Patreon page. Subscription there, and even just donating $1 a month would really help us out. Like I said, our snorkel we have to buy, I'm pretty much going to have to buy something from Europe, from what I'm seeing as far as getting a fit that I like. But there's no guarantee it's going to fit, so I could be just throwing $220 some to the wind. So if you guys would consider supporting us on Patreon, that would be awesome. And we can continue making these epic adventures and testing the pilot and seeing what it can do. All right.
I like it.
Say bye, everybody.
Bye.